Honorable members, the House may recall the incident that occurred on 6th March 2026 when certain persons seated in the visitors gallery raised slogans and displayed posters, thereby causing disturbance to the proceedings of the House and affecting the dignity and decorum of the August Assembly. The matter was viewed with utmost seriousness by the Chair. As such, acts within the precincts of the House have the potential to interfere with the orderly conduct of the business of the House and may amount to a breach of privilege and contempt of the House. In this regard, the Chair has consultations with the Honorable Chief Minister, who also holds the portfolio of Home Minister, to examine the matter in its entirety and to ensure that an appropriate course of action is taken in the large interest of preserving the dignity and decorum of this House, while upholding democratic values. Further, taking into consideration the unconditional apology tendered by Honorable Sri Vijai Sardesai MLA and a senior member of this House, the Chair has accepted the said apology tendered by the Honorable member. However, to uphold the dignity and decorum of the House, the restriction on the entry of the said persons into the precincts of the Goa Legislative Assembly shall continue until further orders. I hope that this decision will serve a reminder to all concerned that the sanctity and decorum of this House must always be respected. माननीय सभापतींचे समारोपाचे भाषण आता हांव करता. मानाधिक सभासद, आम्ही ह्या अधिवेशनाच्या निमणे पावण्यार आसात. आता ह्या अधिवेशनाचो समारोप करतात. हे अधिवेशन 6 मार्च 2026 हे तारखेक सुरू जाल्लें. वट्ट 7 बसका जाल्यो आनी तातूंत 47 वरां आनी 12 मिनटांच्या कालावधीत सभागृहांत महत्वाचे आनी अर्थपूर्ण अशें कामकाज जालें. ह्या अधिवेशनात 538 तारांकीत प्रश्न आनी 2318 अतारांकीत प्रश्न अशे वट्ट 2856 प्रश्नां खातीर सुचोवणी आयल्यो. 538 तारांकीत प्रश्न स्विकारले आनी 20 तारांकीत प्रश्नांक तोंडी जाप दिली. उरिल्ले 518 तारांकीत आनी 900 अतारांकीत प्रश्नांचे जापो सभागृहाच्या पटलार दवरल्यो. 1 तारांकीत आनी 1 अतारांकीत प्रश्न फुडल्या अधिवेशना खातीर मुखार धुकल्लो. कामकाज सल्लागार समितीचो दुसरो अहवाल 2026 सभागृहा मुखार मांडलो आनी तो मानून घेतलो. ह्या अधिवेशनात 14 शोक प्रस्ताव, 12 अभिनंदनाचे थाराव आयले. हे सभागृहान एकमतान मानून घेतले. ह्या भायर सरकारा कडल्यान 282 कागदपत्रां सभागृहा मुखार दवरली आनी 72 शुन्यकाळ उल्लेख आनी 10 लक्षवेधी सूचना सभागृहा मुखार चर्चेक आयल्यो. 9 आनी 10 मार्च 2026